special prestigious award for excellence in bearing for rolling stock goes to SKF India Limited.
SKF India Limited. We applaud the SKF India Railway team for winning the Excellence Award in bearings for rolling stock. Aligned with Atmanirbhar Bharat, SKF India's railway team indigenization efforts gained CRRC and DMRC endorsement. This achievement not only aligns with Make in India but also signifies substantial cost savings and 100% business share in the Bangalore and Noida metro projects.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of SKF, I am really pleased to accept this honor from Rail Analysis. Being a SKF, we strongly believe delight the customer and to indigenize, drive the localization in India. And this is a true example, this recognition, to get this award from Rail Analysis. Moving forward, we are looking to localize more and more to strengthen the principle of Atmanirbhar Bharat. In addition, we are also working on the latest technology of condition monitoring to measure the health of the bearing for effective and efficient bearing operations, which will drive Indian Railways from preventive to predictive maintenance. At the end, I would like to thank Rail Analysis to set up this platform to bring the railway community together. Thank you.
Thank you very much.